Sinong vlogger to?
Subscribe po kayo sa channel. Hali tayo. Ito pa yung part nyo. Tagay ng part nyo.
Pinipilahan ni Diwata ba?
Sarap ba?
As in.
Isang bote po ba yun sa inyo? Today, we are going to visit the biggest outlet center in Melbourne to have some shopping spree and to indulge ourselves to a sumptuous feast in a Brazilian barbecue restaurant. So we are here in Melbourne, Australia to check out the DFO here. Let's try. Hi guys, so we're here in the biggest outlet center in Melbourne. Upon entrance, there is a customer service counter where you can scan their QR code to get a directory map around their outlet store. Most items are on sale, so you would definitely enjoy buying stuff for yourself and loved ones. It's a good place to buy some souvenirs if you're looking for branded ones. A place to find over 120 leading Australian and international brands, all up to 70% off. Shopping galore! And if you want to take a break from shopping, you can grab some snacks at their small food court that serves Asian, Mexican food and beverages. You can definitely find all brands in one roof. There are a large selection of products at good prices. Will you follow me? What do you think fits me better? This one or that? Let's try both. Yeah. Just two compartments. This one's leather. What do you think? Yeah, I'll just take a video. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Was supposed to be before you were doing it. Yeah, anyway.
Wait, hold on. Which one are you doing it on?
Already done.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
I'm just taking a video. So if you're looking for latest fashion for ladies, men, children, sportswear, handbags and luggages, then DFO is a place to be. So after our long walk and shopping spree, it's now time to get some dinner. We are here in B. Churrasco Brazilian Barbecue Restaurant, located in A. Beckett Street. There is no menu here because they offer you all the variety of meats that they have. You just have to bring yourself in an empty stomach. Be ready for a palate adventure to taste all their meats.
And you're also gonna receive these side dishes up here automatically for you. If you want to repeat any of the meats or any of the side dishes, just let me know. You can repeat as many times as you want. Okay. And with these dishes here, they are home request, so all included, no extras. But you have to let me know if you wanna try it. Okay. And just the last thing is this one here. So if you need a break or a pause for the meats, you just leave this red. And green means to bring more food, so let's leave on the green for you right now. And also guys, you have included drink.
Churrasco is a Brazilian dish referring to a beef or grilled meat. You can watch food being cooked over an open fire as freshly barbecued. Sword-length skewers are carried straight into your plate. What is that? Pineapple? Ham and pineapple.
So the other one.
Sweet and a little kick of sour.
Do you want some more salad and fried banana?
We want the salad.
Fried banana, yeah. And the salad, please, yes.
Yeah, and you also she's also gonna receive another kind of salad.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Anything else so far?
Yeah,
That's all for now. Oh yeah, just a
you
few.
have a tongue?
I have at home. Yeah, okay lang. How am I supposed to? It's okay, it's not. That's all. Yeah, thank you.
Medyo mabawil lang.
Huh? Very, very small portion.
Kailangan mo kontemplahan.
Yung last day natin, di ba? Nag-food trip tayo. Diba? Tatlo.
Yung parang ang daming restaurant yung pinuntahan.
Natin.
Appetizer, main course, tapos yung dinner.
Dessert.
Dessert. Here's the link if you want to check out my Prague's food trip adventure. That's not, it's okay. Thank you. Matutunaw ba lahat ng mga meat pag nag-wine? Very little. Like really so little.
Me too.
Sama mo ako sa ako, ay, meron ka pala. Sige na. Kala ko wala eh.
Okay.
So yan, wala pa kayo maintenance.
Ikaw, wala.
Hali tayo. Ayan po yung part nyo. Ang laki ng part nyo. Ayan na.
Maganda kayo nakakil man yung oil para makasip.
Ating magkapatid yan ha. Garlic yan na ba?
Ito pa nga
Masarap.
nakain yung ribs.
Garlic parmesan. Yung pala yung nandun sa top niya. Well, we just turned our light into red. Apparently, we can't eat anymore because we feel so full. Moms.
Yung white gani para sa
Okay, we'll see what it tastes like. So, sino mag-taste ng flour?
Ito ba? Maraming flour
Okay,
dito
let's
sa
taste
amin.
the flour. Anong flour yan?
Kasi sa amin, yung paper. Kailangan daw ako magtanim nito kasi pang
Kinawa
avoid daw sa mga insect.
Sino nakain to?
Dito lang ako nakarinig na makain siya. Ay, sige na. Bibigyan kita.
Hindi dyan mo lang kinakain. Ano, Rosalinda to eh. Di ba dito yan?
Oo.
Kakain ko, diba?
After mo ilagay sa ears, kainin mo. Sarap siya?
Hmm.
Ay,
Baka mamaya food poisoning tayo dito ah. Another flower. Let's have a taste.
pero sunflower din siya ba na?
Mas dry to compared sa kanina.
Oo.
Ano to? Talong.
Parang
Okay na?
Ayan.
Happy tummy na tayo. Don't forget to eat some fiber because we ate a lot of meat. I think tonight, this pineapple was the best among everything I ate. Guys,
13 degrees.
Melbourne, Australia.
Lamig. Lamig.
Oh my gosh.
Chicks.
Stop muna tayo ha. Diba? Or gusto mo tumawid na kasi wala naman tao.
Yan.
Okay, sige, tawid na tayo. Tara! Wala naman sasakyan. Ito yung little Chinatown ng Melbourne. Okay. Tara, pwede naman yan. Ano, walk naman. Bakit din? Saan ba tayo? Ali na lang? Pasok? Lang yan. Gusto nila yung shop po. Bukas ba to? Ay, hindi close na. Sila pa yung ano, may-ari. Ito maganda. May liker. So, are we gonna cross?
Yes.
With the thing like that? Alright. You want me to take from this side?
I can give it a go if you want to.
Okay, let's try. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
One front hotel or restaurant.
prepaid. You should have separated the items.
No, don't worry. I got it.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Don't forget to tune in as I will take you to Phillips Island to see some penguins.
Right? Yeah. Thanks, mate.